How to use Trello Enterprise Plan properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Trello Enterprise is more than just a digital Kanban board, yet most beginners struggle to use it effectively. The surprising truth is that the platform's advanced features can backfire if you don't implement them correctly. The first mistake is underutilizing boards and lists. Beginners often create a single board for everything, which leads to clutter and confusion. For example, separate boards for marketing, sales, and product development with clear lists for each stage of work keep teams organized and accountable. Another common error is ignoring automation with Butler. Trello Enterprise offers powerful automation for recurring tasks and card movements. Many users manually move cards or duplicate tasks, which waste time. Setting up rules, like automatically moving cards to complete it when checklists are finished, keeps workflow smooth and reduces errors. A third mistake is not using custom fields or labels properly. Labels help categorize tasks, and custom fields track priority, deadlines, or budget. Without them, tracking task status and performance becomes difficult. For instance, color-coded labels for urgent, medium, and low priority tasks give instant clarity. Some users fail to set permissions correctly. Trello Enterprise allows granular access control, but beginners often grant too many people editing rights. This can lead to accidental deletions or workflow disruptions. Assign view-only or comment-only access where appropriate to maintain control. Finally, neglecting dashboards and analytics is a missed opportunity. Enterprise dashboards provide insights into team performance and project progress. Ignoring these can result in missed deadlines or resource mismanagement. Regularly review dashboard data to optimize productivity. To use Trello Enterprise properly, organize boards thoughtfully, automate with Butler, utilize labels and custom fields, manage permissions wisely, and monitor dashboards. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures your team works efficiently, stays on track, and fully benefits from Trello's enterprise-level capabilities.